Hi, I'm Leslie Bender. Do you have pain? Do you have pain possibly in your upper back, your lower back, your knees, anywhere in your body that maybe it happened to you through poor movement biomechanics, you were exercising incorrectly, or you simply reached down to pick something up? It happens to all of us, including myself. This program is called Exercise Pain Free. Why I came up with this program is for years I trained incorrectly. Unbeknownst to me, I was setting my right knee up for an injury which happened a year ago. If you've ever had pain or an injury, you know what happens to you. Your life stops. Essentially, you can't do the things that you love to do. That's what happened to me. I wasn't able to run anymore. And my knee injury just came from bad biomechanics. So I went on this mission to create this program for myself, which has worked miraculously. I'm back to life doing everything that I want to do, and I've created it for you. This program is designed to give you exercises that will help you with any kind of pain that you might have. Now, that's not to say that this ever replaces a medical professional, because it doesn't. This program is designed for you to do these simple exercises that will give you better flexibility, better mobility, and strength to do the things that you love to do. Now, even if you don't have pain, the exercises are designed for you to be able to run better, to play golf, to play with your kids. No matter what the case may be, this program is designed to give you exercises that will make your body and help your body move more efficiently for the entire rest of your life. And I don't know about you, but being in pain definitely stops you from doing the things that you love to do. So I'd love you to join me, because we have a little free intro for you on how to begin on a postural assessment, because that's really where you're going to discover what's maybe not quite right from the kinetic chain up from your feet to your knees to your hips. It's all connected. You can't isolate it. It's all created by ground reaction to gravity. You will find in this short little postural assessment some things about yourself. So I'd like you to look into doing this assessment. Why? It's free. You can download it, watch it, and see what's going on with you. So I welcome you to join me for Exercise Pain Free.